ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልን ክቡራን የዚህ ትምህርታዊ ቻናል ተከታዮች እንዴት ናችሁ? በክፍል 2 ተመልሼ መጥቻለሁ። እንግዲህ በክፍል 1 የ8ኛ ክፍል ጀነራል ሳይንስ ጥያቄዎችን እስከ 1 እስከ 30 ያሉትን ሰርተን ነው የቆምነው ወይም ያበቃሁት ማለት ነው። እንግዲህ ሰዓት ረዘም ላለ ጊዜ ላለመውሰድ ነው። በዚህኛው ቪዲዮ እንግዲህ ከ30 በላይ ያሉትን ጥያቄዎች እየሰራን አብረን ቆይታ እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። 31ኛ ጥያቄ ነው በቀጣይ የማመራው ማለት ነው። question number 31 the accepted value of a certain boy is 36 kg. If the student measures the body with a laboratory and obtain the result 31.70, 31.73, 31.75 kg, then the measurement is A. neither accurate nor precise, B. both precise and accurate, C. accurate nor precise, D. precise nor accurate, not accurate. So here the correct answer is this measurement is precise but it is not accurate. ስለዚህ accuracy measurement አደረገው ከምን ጋር ነው? accuracy is just related or how close a measurement is to the standard. Here the standard is 36 kilograms. So here 36 and 31, in between 36 and 31 there is high difference between each measurement. So their accuracy is their accuracy is not accurate, but when we see the precision, the individual measurements are close to each other. So D is the answer, precise not accurate. Question number 32, among scientific method which step is concerned on putting together your findings and presenting them to others? So presenting to them the others. A. analyze the result, test your hypothesis, communicating the result, establish a hypothesis. So here the correct answer is communicating the result. C. 33, grade A students want to do an activity. They first take candle, fix it on table and light the candle, and then the candle will continue to be burned due to the presence of oxygen. Which scientific investigation do the students confirm in this activity? Which is A. ask question, B. test the hypothesis, C. formulate the hypothesis, D. do background research. So here they are testing the hypothesis. Question number 34, the idea that matter is discrete was proposed by A. Aristotle, B. Democritus, C. Dalton, D. Euler. So the correct answer is B, which is Democritus. Question number 35, in representation of an atom 20, calcium 2 plus and with atomic number 20 and mass numbers 40, how many protons, electrons and neutrons are there respectively? A. 20 20 20, B. 20 20 80, C. 20 22 80, D. 20 80 20. So here we can arrange them in order of proton, electron and neutron. Here we have 20 protons and 40 minus 20, which is 20 neutrons as well. And when you see the electrons here, it have 2 plus charge. So we use 20 minus 2, which is 18. So the number of electron gonna be 18 or 1/8. So here, according to their arrangement or respective arrangements, proton is 20, electron is 80, and neutron is 20. So 20, 80, 20, which is D is the correct answer. 36, which one of the following is a molecule of compound? A. phosphorus, nitrogen, helium, water. So D is molecule of compound. Question number 37, which one of the following formula represents alkyne containing 10 carbon atom? Alkyne CnH2n minus 2. So according to this, the correct answer for this question is which is carbon number 10, Cn2. So here 2 times 10, 20 minus 2, 18. So C is the correct answer. Question number 38, which one of the following pair of oxides are basic oxides? So here when you see basic oxides, they are mostly metallic oxides. ስለዚህ ሜታሊክ ኦክሳይድ የሆኑት ምንድን ናቸው? ቤዚክ ኦክሳይዶች ናቸው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ውስጥ ሜታሊክ የሆኑትን መምረጥ ነው ማለት ነው ያለብን እኛ። ሶ ኤ ሊቲየም ኦክሳይድ፣ ካልሲየም ኦክሳይድ፣ ማግኒዚየም ኦክሳይድ፣ ቢ ሰልፈር ዳይኦክሳይድ፣ ፎስፈረስ ፔንታ ኦክሳይድ ኤንድ ናይትሮጅን ፔንታ ኦክሳይድ፣ ሲ ዳይናይትሮጅን ኦክሳይድ ሶዲየም ኦክሳይድ እንዲሁም ናይትሮጅን ሞኖክሳይድ አለ፣ ፖታሽየም ኦክሳይድ፣ ካርቦን ዳይኦክሳይድ፣ ወተር አለ። ሰው እዚህ ላይ ሜታሊክ የሆኑ ኤ ላይ ያለው የዚህ ጥያቄ ትክክለኛ መልስ ነው ማለት ነው። 39 suppose you are in a science laboratory. Take 2 clean test tubes and pour 3 ml of NH4OH NH4OH ammonium hydroxide base solution in each of the test tubes. Labeling the test tubes A and B. Then insert a blue litmus paper in A and red litmus paper in B. Which one of the following would be observed? So since it is base, so bases, the litmus paper in B changed to blue. B, the litmus paper in A changed to red. The litmus paper in B changed into pink. The litmus paper in A changed into yellow. So according to this, the correct answer is here. The correct answer is the litmus paper in B, which is changed into blue. Since it is red. So acid just bases change red litmus into blue. So litmus paper in B changed into blue. Question number 40. Which one of the following chemical reaction represents neutralization reaction? Here, when you see the neutralization reaction is the reaction between acid and base in order to form salt and water. So acid and plus base, salt and water. So here B, HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, plus potassium hydroxide, which is base and gives us potassium chloride, which is salt and water. So B is the correct answer. Question number 41. Which of the following is not the function of upper layer of the skin? A, reduce excess loss. B, protecting from UV light. Reduce excess loss of heat. D, protecting interior of disease-causing microorganisms. So here, the correct answer is C, reducing excess loss of heat, or thermoregulation is the function of, or thermoregulation is the proper function of the middle layer, which is the dermis. Question number 42. Which one of the following is not functions of human skeletal system? To support and protect the body, protect production of blood cells, movement, and transportation of oxygen. So here, the transporting oxygen is not the function or the proper function of skeletal system. Question number 43. Dog has a dental formula of I33C11P44 and M23. What is the total number of teeth on the upper jaw? No, upper jaw ላይ ያለውን total number of teeth determine ለማድረግ ከላይ ያሉትን እንግዲህ 33 የሚሉትን ቀድሞ ያሉትን አሁን በዚህ አቀማመጥ ቀድሞ ያሉትን ይሄ ማለት upper jaw ላይ ያሉ ቲዞች ናቸው። ስለዚህ ቀድሞ ያሉትን ቶታል እንደምርና በሁለት አባዝተን ማስቀመጥ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የዚህም ጥያቄ እንግዲህ በቀላሉ መልሳችን ምን ይሆናል? 20 ጥርስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። 20 ጥርስ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ 3 አለን ሲደመር 1 4 4 ሲደመር 4 8 8 ሲደመር 2 10 ነው የሚሆነው። 10 ሲባዛ በ2 20 ጥርስ ይኖረዋል ማለት ነው። አፐር ጆ ላይ ወይም የላይኛው መንጋጋ ላይ ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን የታችኛው መንጋጋ ላይ ብናረገው ምንድነው 3 3 1 4 4 4 8 8 እና 3 11 ነው የሚሆነው። 22 ጥርስ ነው የሚኖረው ማለት ነው። ሎወር ጆ ላይ ቢለን ሎወር ጆ ላይ ማለት ነው። One of the following disease of digestive system is characterized by swollen veins in the lower rectum. Swollen veins in the lower rectum ብለን የምንጠራው which is the properties of hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids ብለን የምንጠራው ወይም ደግሞ ብዙ ጊዜ በተለምዶ የፊንጢጣ ኪንታሮት በመባል የሚታወቀው የበሽታ አይነት ነው ማለት ነው። ዳይጀስቲቭ ሲስተም ዲዚዝ ሆኖ ማለት ነው። 45 a hollow muscular organ forming an air passage to the lung and holding the vocal cord in human and other animal is A, pharynx, B, larynx, D, alveoli, C, trachea. So here B is the correct answer, or larynx. Okay, question number 46. On the figure given below, which parts of the male reproductive system does the sperm cells are stored? Sperm cell stored, or sperm cells are stored for maturation down here at the epididymis, or epididymis is the male reproductive structure where sperm cells are stored for maturation. So it is D, number 5. Number 5 indicates the epididymis. Question number 47. A Yayo forest ecosystem contains plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, soil, air, and water. Which group represents the abiotic components of the ecosystem? Which is abiotic components of the ecosystem, meaning which is the non-living components of the ecosystem. So it includes soil, air, and water, which is C. 48. Which one of the following system symbiotic association is formed between fungus and algae? Fungus and algae. A. Commensalism. B. Mutualism. C. Parasitism. D. Protocorporation. Here, the interaction between, it is the symbiotic association between fungus and algae is mutualistic symbiotic association. 49. Based on the simple food chain given below, which organism is secondary consumer? Here, A. Tiger, B. Lion, C. Goat, D. Grass. Here it says grass as producer, goats primary consumer, tiger secondary consumer, lion tertiary consumer. So here tiger is secondary consumer. So A is the right answer. Question number 50. Which one of the following bacteria is responsible for conversion of nitrate back into nitrogen gas or into inert nitrogen or the bacteria that are involved in the process of denitrification? Nitrobacter, Nitrosomonas, Nitrobacter, Rhizobium, and Pseudomonas, which is D. Pseudomonas, is involved in the process of converting ammonia into or nitrate back into nitrogen or inert nitrogen, atmospheric nitrogen. Question number 51. Which one of the following gases is a major contributor to global warming? Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, which is D. Carbon dioxide is responsible for global warming. Question number 52. Which one of the following biodiversity conversion is carried out through the conversion of biodiversity in their natural or conservation of biodiversity in their natural habitats? A. National park, zoos, seed banks, and botanical garden. Here, national park is the in situ conservation. It's asking that the types of conservation from the two types of conservation, which is asking the in situ conservation. There are two types of conservation, in situ and ex situ conservation. So among this, just carrying out conservation of biodiversity through their natural habitat is considered as the in situ, which is by national park. Question number 53. Which one of the following is an example of a star? Earth, Mars, Sun, Mercury. So here, Sun is an example of star. So C is the correct answer. C. Question number 54. Which natural satellites that revolve around the Earth? So here, Moon is a natural satellite revolving the Earth. 55. When comparing the planets in terms of diameter, which one of the following is the largest and the smallest respectively? The largest one is the Jupiter and the smallest one is Mercury. So A, Mercury and Jupiter are the correct answer. A is the right answer. 56. Among the following planets in our solar system, which one is known to support life? Mercury, Earth, Mars, Venus. Here, the planet Earth is the only planet that supports life. So B is the answer. 57. Marconi's grade 8 student, when he passed white light through a prism, he observed different colors. What is the name of this phenomena? So this A, reflection, refraction, dispersion, and diffraction. So here C, dispersion. Question number 58. Which one of the following material allow light to transmit partially? A, transparent, B, opaque, C, translucent, D, air. Here, translucent materials are materials that can allow light to pass through partially. So, C is the correct answer. 59. Which one of the following correctly shows the propagation of sound from fastest to slowest through solid, liquid, and gas? From fastest to slowest. So, sound is faster in solid, and then next to solid it is faster in liquid, and then gas. So solid, liquid, gas. Here B is the correct answer for question number 59. Question number 60 and the last question. Which one of the following correctly matches the mechanism of heat transfer with its meaning? A. Conduction is a heat transfer without movement of matter, which is mechanism heat transfer is correctly matches the mechanism of heat transfer. A. Convection is a heat transfer by electromagnetic wave. C. Conduction is a heat transfer requiring no particle. D. Radiation is heat transfer through fluid movement. So here the correct answer is A. Conduction is a heat transfer without movement of matter. So A is the correct answer. So this is all about that I have for today with my part 2 video. See you on my next video. Thank you for listening.